Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to see how to do navigation animation in Jetpack Compose. So let's get started. First of all, I have to create a new Jetpack Compose project in Android Studio. Let's clean up the default codes and upgrade the project. I will use 1.9.10 of Kotlin version, SDK version 34, Java version 17, Compose compiler version 1.5.3, Compose BOM version 2023.10.00, sync, let's run the project once. So our project is fully properly set up. Now we have to include a dependency for navigation. You can see it is complaining about the SDK 34. Just sync project with Gradle files and it should run. Now let's see the navigation animation setup. First of all, we have to create a nav controller. Sorry, I have included wrong dependency. Here it will be compose. Right, this one. Yes. Next, you have to create a nav host. So there are various overloads of nav host. We will choose this one. So here put the nav controller, and in start destination put a blank string as of now. Next you have to mention various navigations here. Suppose we have two pages, page 1 and page 2. So let's create a page 1. For that we have to use the composable. Here you have to mention the route. Because I am creating page 1, let me name that page 1. This is the name of the route. And inside this composable, you can insert whatever composable UI you want. So as of now, I will just create a button. You can see it is crashing because in start destination we have kept blank string, and with blank string we don't have any route actually. Here we have only one route with name page 1. So as of now we can put page 1. So start destination means which page you want to start at first. So you can see page 1 is showing. Let me create another page. Page 2. But page 2 will not be shown because it is not being shown initially or being navigated from page 1. So let's run it again, and you can see still page 1 is here. So how to navigate from page 1 to page 2? Simple, you have to use the nav controller dot navigate, then page 2. That's all. So you can see whenever I am clicking the page 1 button, it's going to page 2. And let's put a back here. Whenever button in page 2 will be clicked, we want to move back to page 1. Nav controller dot pop backstack. So it is backed, again forward, backward. Yes. So right now you can see almost no animation is here. I think a basic fade in, fade out is happening. So we will see how to do navigation animation here. So if we click this snap host, control click basically, you can see it has enter transition, exit transition, pop enter transition, pop exit transition. So we will copy that. You don't need to remember anything here. Just go to definition and copy. It's showing error because we are mentioning the type as well. So just clear the type. So you can see enter transition is fade in for 700 millisecond. Similarly, exit transition is for 700 millisecond with fade out. Let me reformat the file. Yes, nice. And we don't have any pop enter transition and pop exit transition, and by default enter transition is being used for pop enter transition and exit transition is being used for pop exit transition, right? Let me override that, or as of now let comment that to check. Yes, it is working as it was. So as of now, what I will do, I will just edit this time, let's say for 3 seconds, so that we can slowly see the animation. Let's put some pop enter transition and pop exit transition. I will just copy. Because this animation don't include any movement, so it is not interesting. Let's make it little bit interesting with adding some movement. First of all, let's edit the enter transition. So with fade in, you can add another transition or animation. For example, slide into container. First of all, it will take the direction. I'll use the left side. Here also you can put the twin animation. Yeah, nice. It's moving, right? I think during exit also we need a movement to make it more interesting. So just copy this movement, paste over here, and it will be slide out of, I think, right. Nice, both are moving. Now let's add some movement to pop enter and pop exit. Pop enter will be called whenever the previous page will come again with pop backstack function. Here we have used pop backstack. Whenever this will be called, the previous page, that means page 1 will come with pop enter transition, and the page 2 will use pop exit that time. So I will just copy this. And it should go to right, I think. So this will be for pop exit as well. And it will be slide out of. Nice, looking very nice. Let's make it more interesting. Whenever the exit will be done, we will use down. And during pop enter, we will use up. Let's see. Nice, very nice, looking very nice. Let's keep the time in a variable. Let's say here let's reduce the time to 700 millisecond, which is default time for navigation animation. So guys, this way you can put very interesting navigation animation in your Jetpack Compose project. So there are lots of other choices as well. Right now we are using fade in, slide into container, fade out, slide out of container. That means basically fade in, fade out, and slide in, slide out. Okay, so let's see what are the other options there. just click control click the fade in, and you are in enter exit transition. So I think fade in the fast animation here. Let's see what are the other options here. Fade in, fade out, slide in, which we have not used yet. We have used slide in container, slide into container. This is also a enter transition, slide in. So basically you have to remember that in case of enter transition you have to use only enter transition type. Yes, this type. You can see slide in is enter transition, slide out is exit transition. So exit transition can be used in exit transition and pop exit transition, and in case of enter transition and pop enter transition you have to use the enter transition type, right? Slide in, sorry, scale in, scale out, expand in, shrink out, expand horizontally, expand vertically, shrink horizontally, shrink vertically, slide in horizontally. There are lots of choices. Slide in vertically, slide out horizontally, slide out vertically. Yeah, that's all. So guys, this way you can use navigation animation, and remember that we have used the navigation animation in nav host. If you use animation inside the nav host, this all animation will be applied to all the pages. But there may be some cases when you want a special type of navigation animation in some special pages, right? For example, for page 2 you want a different type of navigation animation. So you can do this. Just copy this whole, and for page 2 put it, and let's use normal left here. Sorry, not left. Just use fade in, fade out. Okay. So you can see only fade in, fade out is being applied to page 2, right? So you can use navigation animation for all the pages, or you can mention some special animation for your special pages. The procedure is same principles will be applied. So guys, this way you can define your navigation animation for Jetpack Compose project. Thanks for watching.